Okay, so here we are with my Topstep dashboard. We're looking at my live account. Right now it sits at $7,238. So far, this account's still doing okay. 84% winning days. I just got to get my stats up better. My 66% winning trades. So that'll start happening soon with the new adjustments to the trade plan. Should be good to go there. So let's go look at the definitely overdue for a loser coming up in the live account as well. So hopefully in the next couple trades I'll have some green trades before I have that loser, but I got a loser coming, and we'll see when it gets here. Let's go look at the XFA. Okay, so here is my 50K express funded account. So our first 2 days out of the gate are green. So I broke my streak for the longest time. Anytime I started something new, a new XFA, a new combine, going into my live account, my personal accounts, trading something different, whatever it is, I always start out with like a big red streak and then I have to climb out of the hole. So far, so good on this one, though. First 2 days green. Definitely overdue for a red day as well with this. Now that I'm only trading one time a day, taking one trade a day, I'm definitely looking back in the charts, overdue for a loser. If it's today, it's today. Hopefully, I'll get a few more green days in, though. Get this to around $1,500 before I take that loser. But if it is a loser today or whenever it does show up, hopefully it's a little one. All right, buddy. We'll see you on the next trade. Okay, I have a new M pattern showing up here. I'm right-clicking, sell, stop limit. We're looking at the 1 minute candle in the NQ right now. Got this M right here. It's about 50 points, so pretty big risk on the trade. So I jumped over to the MNQ, about $1,000 if I was in the NQ.
Order submitted.
Okay, bumped it up to 2 contracts. So that's where I'm at right now with the XFA. I can do 2 contracts, which would give me about $200. I know if I was in Topstep X, I'd be able to trade, since I'm in the MNQ, I'd be able to trade more contracts. They allow you to vary based on the mini or the micro. All right, here we go. Getting the drop. Buy stop market.
Order submitted.
Put that in so I can be ready to go.
Order filled.
All right, we're in the trade. Got my stop down there. So looking for a move here. Got this M pattern, really nice M pattern. Breaking. We are breaking out a little bit of a support area. So it could see a rejection here, turning to a W and a ripping higher again. But right now we got the M, so I'm taking it. And we'll see where it ends up. I'm overdue for a loser, so this could be it. Okay, so this M pattern is basically no longer valid. It didn't break, so I'm going to look to get out break even here if I can. I had that chance right here to get out break even. I was working on something with my daughter, so I missed it. But maybe we'll get another shot right here. Almost have a little bit of a W showing up here. Kind of want to reverse my trade, but the new plan says 1 trade, and that's it.
Order.
Out of that trade. So I'll take a red day on the NQ today, on the MNQ, right? Managing my risk. Look at that. Top tick me and then going to sell off. Is that what's going to happen right now? So I'm going to take a loss on that for 764 or 766 after commissions, taking the account down to $750. And then, yeah, great. Got that red trade out of the way. Looking for green tomorrow. And then off to the races. We'll see if the YM sets up. I don't think it's going to. If it does, I'll trade that over to my live account. But we'll see what happens here. Okay, so here with the live account, looking at the YM on the 5-minute chart. So no trades today again with the live account in YM Dow Jones. But this is why. What I'm looking for is this. If we have a big downward move and then a flag, basically, that's not really the trade that I'm looking for. I'm looking for this part that happens afterwards, where we have this downward trend that then bumps up into a level, ideally, and then sells off from there and breaks that low. And that's what I want to get in, along with some indicators that I'm looking at as well. And then I want to get in and take my move, basically a 1-to-1 risk reward. And sometimes this move through the target price is big enough to where I can start trailing candles and I can squeeze more out. And sometimes it just tags and does this and I'm out right at the target. That's basically what I'm looking for. And this is how the YM has looked though since June. Let me show you. So here's the YM since June. Pretty much just sideways. You know, we're here at 39519 and we're back here starting right around the same, 3950. That was way back, yeah, around beginning of June. So really hasn't gone anywhere. Like there's been no gains. I mean, yes, we had these big spikes and there have been some trades inside these moves. But when the markets have a nice trend going up or trend going down, it's a lot easier for my setups in the Dow Jones to play out, and I get a lot more of them inside of a trend. But when it's just chopped sideways like this, it's really difficult to get setups. I get some in here, but these big candles don't provide me setups. Like this right here is like a giant bear flag. That's not the setup I'm looking for. Giant bear flag, not really the setup I'm looking for. It's the little moves inside of that, which is this is the one that I had marked up that you can see here. So that's kind of why YM hasn't really been providing me a lot of trades with my strategy I'm using for it, because these market conditions just have not been favorable for those YM trades. So anyway, hopefully that will change here soon. Maybe as the summer starts to come to a close, we'll see. We'll have to see what happens. All right, everybody, no trades in the live account today. See you on the next trade. Okay, so here we are back with that NQ trade. Just want to show you basically the deal here. We had this M pattern form up. Put my stop where it's supposed to go based on my probabilities. Got in right at the very bottom of that candle. Got out right here near the top of the move and then the sell-off, right? And I was looking for an exit because the M pattern didn't confirm. As soon as it went back up, it was basically over. I had a chance to get out break even right here, but I wasn't paying attention. And then it tagged me out right there before selling off, and I could have got out with actually some nice profit on the trade on an early exit. But when I did my vetting on the M pattern strategies with NQ, as soon as M pattern didn't confirm, I just counted it as a loss. So this is fitting well within my probabilities and the game plan, and I was overdue for a loser. So that loser showed up today, which is great. Get it out of the way, and then I can get on to winners. But it's just a little bit of a bummer when you get in right at the bottom there, get out near the top, and then it comes into profit. It can be frustrating when that happens. But all good. All right, everybody, we'll see you tomorrow.